So today I'm reviewing this tiny clip. I'm joking with you. What I actually am reviewing came in a tiny little envelope in parts like this. There's no box to unbox, so we're just gonna have to take a look. So what is it? Well, it's what's in this little tiny plastic bag. So let's get it out of the bag first and we can take a proper look. It is this tiny little thing. You probably guessed, it is a camera. Apparently one of the world's smallest cameras. It's not the smallest camera, but one of the smallest cameras in the world. That's what they claim. This sticker here, this is the poorest attempt. It's just a freaking sticker. What the? All right, stickers aside. Let's take a look at what we get inside the letter, I guess. Instruction manual, and I think this is going to be useful because, as you can tell, there's no screen. There's 2 buttons, and that's it. So everything is controlled by those 2 buttons. I'm assuming it's going to be a whole bunch of holding down, double clicking, and whatnot to get it to do what you want it to do. So I will have to probably read these instructions. But you also get these clips. Now, I'm not entirely sure how this is meant to get set up. Now this has screw holes in it. See, advertised, it was just advertised like that. So I was surprised to see this being included. And you also get, well, a USB cable? Okay, a cable to charge it, but also a cable to plug into your TV. Now that's quite interesting. And a USB cable. Alright, cable aside, we'll check that out in a bit. But the actual, can I even call it a device? I don't know. What is this? I mean, to be fair, it feels nice. It actually does feel pretty decent. It's a sticker that lets it down, because it keeps coming off the edge. You see that? You see what I mean? And that just kills it. That just kills any sense of quality it had. Goes now because of this damn sticker. I mean, it looks cool in pictures, but other than that, it serves no purpose, and I'm going to keep it on for the sake of this review, but it's really annoying because I'm trying to get the sides to stick down, but it refuses to. Give it a bit of pressure. Right. I'm assuming this drills into a wall. Is this meant to be a security camera? Because it doesn't actually know what it is. I mean, they advertise it as some cool little action camera. They send you a part which you can drill into the wall, and you can essentially somehow clip this on. Right, I see already. I see how it works. Clip that onto there. Yep, because it has little teeth which hook in place. This can move about. Screw holes here, but they don't supply you with any screws. Or plugs for that matter. And then a little tiny thing that can... Right. Yeah, it's a security camera, but it's not a security camera. That probably explains why it has a port for the TV as well. Okay, it's starting to make a bit of sense now. It is starting to make a little bit of sense, but does it have features that will make it an adequate security camera? Things such as motion detection. I'm very wary that it does, and just a hunch, I don't think the quality is going to be good enough for security purposes. I mean, you'll probably see the figure of what's breaking into your house, but you ain't going to be able to use it as evidence against them. You know, they could probably stare straight into it, and it probably still won't recognize who the is who's breaking into your house. So I don't know, but let's actually give it a test. How about that? Yeah. All right, let's read the instructions. Let's plug in a memory card. I've got a tiny little micro SD here, so I'm going to plug that in. And even the micro SD feels weird because it's not a spring-loaded one. It's one of the old ones where you have to, you know, get your thumb in to take it out and kind of with your nail push it out, which is... Oh well, I mean, that's just me being petty now, but... Okay, I have somehow lodged the SD card out of its slot and into the device. It's quite literally stuck in there, but it's not in the actual slot of the memory card. It's outside the slot. I need some freaking tweezers. Okay, I'll be back with some tweezers. Alright, don't ask me why I have some tweezers, but I actually found some. Oh god. Oh, I'm just pushing it deeper. This is not a good start. I need something thinner than tweezers. This is impossible. Oh, for frickin' hell. Okay, tweezers are not going to do it. It's too... Damn this stupid device. What is this pile of crap? How do you open... Ah, there's a little screw there. Right. I have to now unscrew the whole damn thing. I could probably do it with tweezers for that. Alright, I'm just going to get rid of this stupid damn sticker for now. Should I do it with a pair of tweezers? I hope so. Otherwise I have to get my toolbox out. I really don't want to get my toolbox out. I haven't even got round to testing it. I've just got round to putting the damn memory card in, and that was easy to do. That wasn't difficult. It's the worst memory card slot I've ever seen in my life. I need something really thin. Ooh, maybe a little box cutter. That's gonna... Yeah! Box cutter to the rescue. There we go. Look at that. That was made for it. I can do this in one hand. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Get it open. There we go. I don't want to force it too much because I'd actually like to review this damn thing without breaking it. Right. There. You can see what happened. As you can see, the memory card is quite literally lodged in there, but I rescued the memory card. There we go. But while it's open, let's take a quick look at what we have. You got the main circuit board there, you got the battery pack there, a few wires hooking it all up, and the camera right there. I don't see any other major components, so I don't think it's going to be a very productive security camera. Alright, let's start again. So I'm going to put the memory card in. Alright, let's put it nice and carefully. There we go. Alright, the memory card is in. I'm not going to play around with it. Let's put this damn sticker back. Good as new. Let's try it out. So, it is charged up. Let's read the instructions. So, product features, here we go. High quality, high definition images, full HD DVDC. Import HD camera. Compact design, portable handheld DVDC. Under low illumination, HD video recording can be performed. Video format for 720 x 480p, video format for 1280 x 720p, video format for 1920 x 1080p. Mode for taking pictures, 12 megapixel. Alright, so... Oh, no, here we go. Motion detecting video 1080p. So it has got a motion detector. Okay. Right. Alright. And the battery can sustain the camera for up to 100 minutes. too bad, I guess. Alright, so operation instructions. The machine built-in rechargeable lithium battery. First time using this machine, please charge can be charged by the following way. 1. Connect computer charging, the use of USB connect with computer. 2. Can charge while recording. Video can also charge an external USB 5V charger or mobile treasure. Mobile treasure? You know what, I would buy this just to read the instruction manual. This is hilarious. I haven't had a good read like this in a long time. Forget Amazon Kindle. All you need is some instruction manual for some cheap shitty camera. That's what you need. Note 1. When the battery is insufficient, T recorded in the card is full, DV red and blue light will flash for 5 seconds after directly into protection state of shutdown. Save the file and automatically shut down. Recording file has been saved. At this time, please charge on this machine. You gotta really, really work hard to figure out what they're trying to say. Please, just tell me, how do you turn... Alright, I'm just gonna play around. So there's an on button, clearly. There's a blue light. Okay, I've got a blue light. How do I record? Okay, I'm just gonna try and take a few selfies. Click on off button to boot. Boot blue light normally on. Click on the switch machine under the blue lights. Flash 3 out of 720p video. I just want to know if I've taken a picture. I'm gonna switch it on. Alright, it's on. Blue light. I've got a red, so I'm assuming right now video is being taken. Let's do a quick test on how the video looks. I have no clue what just happened. I'm gonna put this memory card in the computer. I'm gonna see if I captured absolutely anything or if I just... Look, this thing was $9 delivered. $9 delivered. So I didn't expect it to be good or anything like that. It just intrigued me by the way it looked, mainly because of this stripe. I guess I bought it because of this stripe. It just kind of made it like, ooh, like, you know, this could be okay. But the problem is you can't use it. It's unusable. No one is going to carry this around with them because no one's going to be looking at this tiny dot of a light and clicking these buttons trying to get it to the right mode, and you don't know what you're looking at. I mean, every camera I think needs at least a little screen, or some sort of viewfinder so you know what you're taking a picture of. I mean, the camera is microscopic, apparently 12 megapixel. I'll let you be the judge if it's 12 megapixel, full HD, 1080p, because I don't think it is. But I mean, it's a pile of crap. I would buy it. I would buy it quite literally as a decorative item. It's a decorative item. It's a camera. You can use it as a camera if you're crazy enough, but it's a decorative item. No way would you ever drill 2 holes into a wall, into your home's wall, so you can clip this pile of junk onto your wall and use as a security camera, because you would have to be batshit insane to do that. Nobody in the world is going to actually think this is a legitimate security camera. It's a joke. It's an absolute joke. I don't even know why companies sell crap like this, but hey, there's always an idiot like me who buys it because it looks, for a few seconds, it looks okay, but you know it's not going to be okay. It's $9. So I guess, I mean, for $9, all right, fine. As a decorative item, I would buy a little statue that looks like this for $9. I just like things that are small. It's a weird little obsession of mine. I like mini versions of things. But yeah, $9, fair enough. A decorative item, you can, you know, show to your friends. It's something cool to have. Maybe if you're at school, you know, you can bring it into school. And then you can probably figure out how to use it. But yeah, I mean, it's a novelty item. It's not, it's nothing you'd actually really ever use for any serious purpose. So I will leave a link to it in the description. Have a look at it if you like. I mean, even just as a laugh. But yeah, for $9, what do you expect? But that's about it. I have got a lot more better items coming, by the way. Better items, don't worry. Not everything is going to be junk like this. But yeah, I've got videos coming with a lot more better items that I'll be unboxing and reviewing. So yeah, do switch on notifications if you want to see more videos like these. That really does help me out a lot. But yeah, coming out with videos very soon. So until next time, guys, feed your mind.